If you have been getting an email from a particular domain and you consider it spammy or a kind of attempt to scam you or hack any platform you belong to, this video walks you through on how to block that particular domain. The first step is to launch a web browser. Once you launch your web browser, visit gmail.com and log in. I am on my Gmail inbox and there is this particular email I want to block its domain. Okay, so let me type to search, okay, this Kolconnect or so. So what they do is that they create different mailboxes with this particular domain and they keep sending me email. Okay, you can see maybe Michael at Kolconnect Hub or something like that, Kolconnecthub.com. Then you can see influencer outreach, all right, or influencer outreach, anything attached to this same domain, Kolconnect.com. So if I block the individual email addresses, you will see they will keep coming. All right, so a lot of them are here. So I want to block this particular domain so that I will stop getting email from them. So in your own case, get to that particular domain and copy it. All right, so after you have copied it, let's take these following steps. So the next step you need to take is to click on your inbox. Then in this search mail section, click on this show search options. Okay, then you will see from, press at, then type that email. All right, those texts you can see in my own case is at Kolconnecthub.com. I want to block them. They are disturbing me. They're spamming my email, and I think they are fraudsters. Why I say so is because I searched for this particular domain, that's Kolconnecthub.com, and it doesn't exist on the web, meaning that they are looking for a way to either hack my YouTube channel or maybe cause me harm. So once you type that, click on create filter. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this, all right, and you're given some options. Select this box, okay, just click on it, this delete it. What this means is that once any person from this domain sends email, that Gmail should automatically delete it. So once you check this box, the next step is to click on create filter. And the filter is created about this particular domain I use for the illustration here. So anytime any message is coming from here, it will go to the trash can. Okay, so they will move it to trash. If maybe tomorrow you discover that that particular domain is legit, you can still unblock it, all right, or remove it from there. So what you need to do is to click on the settings here. Just click on see all settings. Then on this page, click on filters and blocked addresses. Then you will see under this filter, you see that particular domain you blocked. All right, just click on delete. If you are prompted or asked whether you want to delete it, just click on delete. So once you delete it, everything will return to normal. When they send email to you, you are likely to have it in your inbox. If you consider this video helpful, just consider subscribing. See you some other time.